Ever had a day where you woke up and instantly knew it was already ruined? You're late, your phone is glued to your hand, and the moment you open TikTok, there goes the next 47 minutes. Yeah, that was me. A lot. But a few months ago, I found a trick, a tiny rule, that somehow rescues my day even when it's on fire. I call it the 2-minute restart, and it literally turned my lost days into I actually did something days. Here's the truth nobody tells us. Most days don't go bad because of the one big failure. They go bad because we let a tiny fail multiply. You oversleep, so you skip breakfast, so you're tired in class, so you scroll during homework, so you feel guilty, so you scroll more. Boom! Domino effect. Day wasted. But what if you could stop that chain reaction at any moment? Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. That's exactly what this rule does. Nakaburi. The rule. The 2-minute restart is stupidly simple. Whenever you catch yourself falling off, take just 2 minutes to restart your day. 2 minutes. That's it. Not fixing the whole day, not finishing the assignment, not becoming a new person. Just 2 minutes of a tiny, controlled win. Because momentum is everything. Your brain loves little victories. 2 minutes is so small it feels impossible to fail. But the moment you do a tiny action, your brain goes, oh, we're doing this now. And suddenly, you're no longer the villain of your own day. You're the comeback story. That identity shift, that's what turns a disaster day into a productive one. Here are the exact 2-minute restarts I use. Stand up, make your bed, drink a big glass of water, put your phone in another room, write down just one task, reset your desk, one quick sweep, open the assignment and read the first sentence. Breathe, stretch, or do 10 squats. None of this fixes your whole life, but each one says, I'm back, this day is not over. Pick one that fits your situation, not all of them. 1. Last week I had the worst morning. Alarm goes off. I hit snooze, like 5 times. I skip breakfast. I'm already annoyed at myself. I open Instagram for a sec. 20 minutes later, I'm knee-deep in memes of raccoons stealing pizza. Normally, I just accept the L. Well, today's trash. But this time I said, 2-minute restart, right now. I grabbed my water bottle, chugged it, closed my apps, wiped my desk clear. 2 minutes, suddenly. I wasn't stuck anymore, I wasn't behind, I was in motion. That day, I finished my homework, hit the gym, actually ate vegetables, like a responsible human. Here's the magic. You can restart. Anytime. Morning ruined? Restart at 1:14 p.m. Homework abandoned? Restart at 6:47 p.m. Even if you messed up 12 times already, restart on the 13th. There is no limit to how many comebacks you're allowed. You don't need motivation. You don't need a routine. You just need now 2 minutes. So the next time you catch yourself spiraling, scrolling, stressing, self-hating, say it out loud. 2-minute restart. Then do one tiny action that gives you momentum, because you deserve days where you feel proud of yourself, not just days you survived. Try this tonight or tomorrow morning when things fall apart. Then come back and tell me how it went. I want to hear your wins. We're building better days, one restart at a time. Let's level up together.